Hey everyone, so this is part 6 of my AI coloring book series, and I am really excited. This book is starting to finally come together, and I finished the cover page of the book. So this is the cover. I just want to do a quick video on how I actually got the cover done, so I can try to help you if you decide to make your own book. So I'll start with these images on the back. These are all examples from what's actually inside the coloring book. So all I did was go to my interior, hit the share button, download, and then I downloaded the PNG of just whatever page I wanted. So I did one page at a time, and then I went to upload and uploaded the image here, so then I could just paste it into the cover page. This kind of margin here where the spine is, this is just a rectangle, and all I did was click on the rectangle, and then I made it the size I wanted to and positioned it in the middle and center. I also used the template, so that way I made this the actual size of the margin. This paint background is also just a rectangle, and I made it in the middle. This is one of the fonts that are available. And then the border here is just a line. So I just made a line and I adjusted the weight. So it actually looks like, let me zoom in here. This line up top is not in the right area. Okay, there we go. And that looks better. It was just a little bit too low. So to adjust the weight for a line, in case you're curious, you just click on it and then you go to line style and line weight. So it was 4, I think, and I changed it to 2. And then for this beautiful background, I believe I did butterflies and flowers. Yep. And then it's right here, and I combined 2 of them together and I kind of made it bigger. And I honestly really love this cover. I'm not the best when it comes to being super artistic, so I know this could possibly be better, but for me, I think this is a pretty well done cover. And for the keywords that I have, I am directing my target audience more towards adult women, so I think that should appeal to them. At least I think this is really pretty, and I'm an adult woman, so I'm gonna go off of that. I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I'm really hoping that I can get some sales with this. So next is going to be actually uploading the book. So I'm just going to download what I need to do that, and then I plan to upload this in the next video. So I'm going to go to save, and then I'm going to do PDF standard. I don't do PDF print because it just takes forever to download, and honestly, I don't really see a difference. I also know that a lot of people flatten their PDFs before they download them, but again, I haven't really seen much difference or benefit. The PDF print makes it be like such a large file that it takes forever, and then it slows down my computer. So I'm just gonna go with this, and I'll do the same thing for the interior. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll walk through how I'm uploading the book, what I plan to price it at, literally everything. So thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a great day.